So for the tail, we have to make a magic ring first. And 4 times single crochet into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your first round, and you have to tie this. Second row, I'm going to make 1 single crochet into the first here and 1 increase. And don't forget to mark the first stitches. And now we are going to make a 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, and now I'm going to do is an increase into the next stitches here, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. For round 3, we are going to do the same thing, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 4, you have to make a 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Round 5, 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 6, simply we are going to make a single crochet for all rounds. Round 7, 4 single crochet and 1 increase. I'm going to make a single crochet for all rounds. Round 9, 5 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 10 to 11, we have to make a single crochet for 2 rounds. Make a slip stitch, leave a long tail, and fasten off. You can just attach this right over here. Maybe after making full body part, we can attach this, okay? I'll move to the birdie part, and we have to decrease now. First of all, this is our round 14. And we have to make a 18 single crochet and 3 decrease. Let's do that. 1. Mark the stitches. You have to make a 18 single crochet and then 3 times decrease and 14 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, after that 18. We have to decrease for 3 times. 1 decrease, 2 decrease, and then 3 decrease. And you have to make a single crochet for all rounds, all here, all stitches. Now after this, we are going to stuffing a little bit. I'm going to stuffing here. Round number 15, we have to make a 12 single crochet and then 6 single crochet on the other side. Let's do that. You can see how to do this. First, you have to make a 12 single crochet from here in the side, okay? 1, 1. Mark the stitches right over here, and this one is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, you have to make a 12 single crochet. On the other side of the chain stitches, we are going to make a 6 single crochet. So from here, you have to rotate this and count from here, okay? You need to count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right over here, we are going to make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have to make a single crochet. Into the 6 stitches, I make a 1 single crochet, and this is going to be a 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. So now you need to join this part together, okay? You need to use a needles and you have to join this part together like this. Let's do that. Join, and you need to just work in the front loop. So here, into the V stitches, you have to join like this. Okay, first of all, we will just go from here, and then you can just go into the first stitches of a V, and you need to join this part one by one, but just work in the V stitches, not in another. Again. Now you can see here, I just joined this body part, and now we are going to make a head part from here, okay? We need to make a head. Now we are going to make a head part, and for the 9 rounds we are just going to make a single crochet, and we should have a 18 single crochet around this chain stitches. Just finished making 16 to 24 single crochet. 16 to 24 rounds. For 9 rounds I just make a single crochet. Now I'm going to make a 25. We are going to make a next. One single crochet. 1 and 2, and for the 7 stitches we are going to increase 1 increase, and this is going to be a 2 increase, and then 3 increase, 4 increase, and then we have to make a 5 increase here, 6 increase, and the last one is a 7 increase. And after making a 7 increase, I'm going to make a 9 single crochet here. 6, we are going to make a 4 single crochet first. Let's make a 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and from now we are going to do 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 5 times. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This is 1 time, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 2 times, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 3 times, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Again, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 5 times. Now we have to make a 11 single crochet here. 11. From here, we are going to make a 27 to 30 round, just a single crochet. 31, we are going to do as a 3 single crochet decrease. Two, 3, and 1 decrease. Again, 3 single crochet decrease, 3 single crochet decrease. Stuffing in, we will put some safety eyes right over here. This we will make a 32 round and we will decrease 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. And we will do stuffing first. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Last round 34, we are going to decrease for 6 times. Chain 1 and fast enough, leave a long tail because we need to use a needle for this. We need to close this part, and after that we will join this tail also here. Now we will join the tail part, this. Okay guys, now Dinosaur is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video guys, and I hope you guys love this. If you guys love this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and do comments, okay? See you, bye bye.